What's up, guys? Welcome back to the dynasty. Yay! Welcome back to the dynasty. Yay! Welcome back to the dynasty. Yay! So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review on the EYESEEK palette. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Yep, this is what it looks like on the inside. I have opened it up, but I have not tried the colors on my eyes yet. So I'm going to try that today with y'all. And then the next product is the eyeshadow primer. Let's see if y'all can see it. Yep. And we're going to try that out for you guys today. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Now let's get into the video. I did apply my eyebrows before this video. So from the trio, I'm going to go into number 2. It's the darker shade, and I'm going to buff that out. I already started when the camera cut off on me, but we're going to continue to buff that out. Make sure it's evenly spreaded across the eyes. So now I'm going to take this blush brush and I'm going to buff it out. Yep, I took my eyeshadow past my eyebrow for the look I'm about to do today. I'm just going to buff out the front instead of the back. So now I'm going to take this pink shade in the palette. Let's back it up. Okay, here we go. The pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to go on the insides of the eyes. I put that darker shade on the outside on this side, and then I winged it out on this side. And then I'm going to put the lighter right here, and then I'm going to have a halo eye effect. So let's do that. So now that this side is partially done, I will finish up this side and I'll be right back. So now that the majority of the eye look is complete, I'm going to go in with the white version from the trio, and I'm going to go in the inner corner, not the inner corners, the inside of my eyes to make it a halo effect. Let's see if this will work. I'm not sure. We're gonna go all the way up. It's kind of sparkly. Well, y'all can't see it at the moment, but so now I'm gonna go in with this glittery one in the palette. Some of these don't have names, but yeah, we're gonna go into the middle with that. So now we're gonna blend out the edge, the crooked edges. Don't want for it to be looking nice and sharp. So I will be back. I will do the other eye and then I will be right back. Now we're gonna go back in with that pinky shade and put it back on the outside of the glitter now that the glitter is applied. So now that the eyes are complete, I am going to go in with my eyeliner and then I will be right back. Now that my foundation is done, I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back to give y'all my last reviews. Alright guys, so this is about the end of the video. This palette would be good for just starting out or just doing it for fun. And this eye base, it's a good dupe for the P. Louise eye base. So I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence about these, but I think I'm going to keep on trying them out. I'll probably try the eyeshadows without this or try it with my other palettes. So instead of doing the swatches, I'm just going to show y'all the palette up close, and the next time I either review a palette, I'll do swatches for you guys. But I'm just going to show you the palette up close and personal. Yep, look at all those pretty colors. I also forgot to mention, I hope you guys enjoyed my look because I enjoyed doing it with you guys. Yep. So yeah guys, this is about the end of the video. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see next, or other products you'd like me to review. And yeah, that's about it guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.